Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and today we are going to do an SEO audit for Laradir.com, which means Laravel directory. It's a directory of Laravel developers by Simon Ham. Let's head to the website. Yeah, the biggest Laravel developers directory. Mhm. Simon, I must say, I browsed through the website before making this video. The visual appeal is top notch, it's clean, it's professional, and the messaging is quite clear. I love that part. Let's head to the site audit first, talk about it. Second, we'll jump on the domain overview. And third, we'll talk about what kind of keywords can we actually incorporate in the website copy to make it rank better. Here we go. In the site audit, you have 87% health score, 52 errors, and 163 warnings. Let's see what these warnings are. 39 issues with duplicate title tags. Let's see what pages are these. Okay. Is it programmatic SEO? Oh, so okay. You have created pages for profile of each of the developers. Makes sense. Makes sense. By any chance, can you make the URL of these pages instead of this weird number, uh, weird string? You can use their names instead, if it's possible. But anyways, duplicate title tags. Okay, just mark this thing. If I'm seeing this, I will see an error for meta description as well. Yep, here it is. Every page on your website, whether it's a simple page, it's a blog piece, it's an infographic, anything, it should have its own meta title, meta description, slug, and if there's any, then social media share copy. So make sure each of your page have a different title tag and meta description. So I won't talk about these two. Three incorrect pages found in sitemap.xml. Weird, you should not even see this. Okay, I'm assuming you will not see all of these errors here, neither will I. You have to head to your Google Search Console to actually see what's happening. But I'm sure that there's some issue with your sitemap.xml and robots.txt. It has not been set up well. You have to set it up. Head to YouTube, you will easily figure that out. Errors 3, warnings 5. 95 pages have low text HTML ratio. Consider this. If you put all of your code in a single file and all of your text in a single file, and if the code file weighs more than the text file, this error usually comes up. And it comes up with a combination of low word count. Here it is. The solutions: try to reduce the way of your coding if it's possible. If not, then try to increase the copy on your website. If both of these things, if you feel it's a hard job, or should we even do it, it's not something which is mandatory or improves your SEO ranking by 100x fold. I don't even recommend it, to be really honest, but if you can do it, otherwise let it be. 61 pages don't have an H1 heading. Now this one's important. Let's head to your website again. Is it H1? Because it has to be. Let's see. No, every page on your website should start with an H1 heading. Every page. So 61 pages don't have an H1 heading. Fix that up. 4 pages don't have enough text within the title text. Don't worry about that. 2 pages have a low word count. Similar error. One page does not have a meta description. Which page is it? Referral program. You should have the meta description. It seems like an important blog post for you, right? Okay. This is it. For notices, we have one incoming internal link. That's bad. Yeah, robots.txt, something is wrong with it. Please fix that up with your Google Search Console. And one incoming internal link. How so exactly? Understood. Understood. Nothing much of an order, honestly. It's simple. So there's nothing much inside audit, honestly. You just have to focus more on your robots.txt. Fix it up. It's P1. Robots.txt and sitemap. Second, mark H1 in every page of your website. Third, if you can fix the slug of your developer's profile, that would be really great. Fourth, make sure every page has a different meta description, meta title, and the slug. That's it. Let's head to the domain overview section. 5 authority score, 1 organic search traffic, 3.2k backlinks. So there's nothing much. You're ranking on the position 3 on Laravel developer. Let me just Google that up. Here you are. Okay. If you're ranking here, you can easily get to number one position. I'm sure about that. Let's see. Also, let's see the backlinks that you have. Okay, the plane is going. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but three, two, one. Oh, it's gone. So 3.2k backlinks, laravelnews.com. Won't you follow? You have worked on your backlinks. I can see that. From 299 referring domains to 3.2k backlinks. Let's see. GitHub. Oh, follow. Inquiry. Okay, makes sense. The backlink is quite sorted here. For the Laravel developers keyword, laravel.com is coming up. Let's see what keywords are they ranking on in US. Let's do one thing. Let's try this second page with a keyword difficulty of max 25, and let's rank by volume. Let's see. Here we have some keywords that you can actually work on and rank on the first page. How to start Laravel access deny. I'm not sure how to pronounce it or what it exactly is, but I'm sure you can understand this. How to update Laravel composer issues. You can easily work on these pages to actually get some traffic, right? From the right kind of audience. Free Laravel projects to make your own. Okay. It is just a glimpse. Honestly, I don't have much of data on SEMrush to actually tell you more about what kind of changes can you make on your website when it comes to the backend. But let's talk about your front end. Here are some search queries that you can incorporate. Hire Laravel developers, find PHP developers online, Laravel developer directory, best Laravel freelancers, pre-vetted Laravel developers, top PHP developers for hire, remote Laravel developers. And some best long tail keywords for this could be where to hire experienced Laravel developers, best directory to find Laravel developers, affordable Laravel developers for startups, freelance Laravel developers available for hire, um, directory of Laravel experts for hire, remote Laravel and PHP developers for hire. And already saw that you are using some LSI keywords, but in case you want more, PHP development, PHP frameworks, uh, developer hiring platform. Not sure about this one honestly. Um, Laravel framework experts, a very generic one, but freelance web developers. And I think yes. And if I ask you, your primary and secondary keywords would be higher Laravel developers, right? Laravel developers directory. Is it right? I hope I'm right. Okay. So I think this is it. Um, let's talk about the blog post that we can work on exactly. So let's do this. Tofu, mofu, bofu. Top of the funnel, that is awareness. Mofu, middle of the funnel, which is consideration. Bofu, which is bottom of the funnel, the sales part. Seeing your website for tofu, I can think of why Laravel is the best framework for web development in 2024, 2025. Top 5, 10 XYZ reasons to hire a Laravel developer. The complete guide to hiring freelance developers. Understanding PHP, understanding PHP frameworks, Laravel versus, if you have any, I think this is the one, no? Symphony, right? So Laravel versus Symfony, something along those lines. For the Mofu part, if you have any case study like how Laravel developers reduce development time by 30% on this project or that project, or how XYZ companies scale their web application with Laravel developers from Laradevs, something around those lines, honestly. And Bofu usually comes with you talking about your own product or web company. So, a step by step guide to onboarding remote Laravel developers. Free consultation. Let's consider this as you're talking about your free consultation on a blog post. So, free consultation, get matched with a top Laravel developer today. Something around those lines. So, I'm thinking while you really have to dig deeper in terms of understanding how can we actually use all of these keywords to not only just incorporate them in the copy but also create some content out of it. So that's it, I think. Is this also not sure, but I see that all two of both of these are leading to the similar link, laradir.com/developers. Now I am assuming that, so it's a demand and supply game for you, right? The demand is when people want developers, and supply is when you have developers, right? I think I recently had a meeting with someone similar to your niche. I forgot their name. Let me check. It was Covil AI, I think. Yep. Yep. They have a very similar thing. You search for cutting edge software and AI expert ends here. So you are very niche down with Laravel developers. They're not. But I had a similar conversation with them. You need more of demand, right? So why not make it separate? So because consider this, I am seeing browser directory as a CTA. This, all of these are leading towards one link, right? What if we make it much simpler for them? I mean, it's just an assumption and a feedback. I would like to have a call with you to better understand what is your actual goal and where are we heading towards, to actually understand and give you the right feedback. But consider this, um, instead of the biggest Laravel developers directory, which is currently serving to both of these people, right, demand and supply, connect with top rated Laravel developers worldwide, fast, free, and secure. You can remove the last part, it looks very sassy, honestly, but it works. um, I'm not sure. I'm still vacillating between what kind of audience are you targeting right now. Are you trying to target both of these? If yes, how has been how has it been so far? If not, then this visually works great but technically does not. And if you're not been receiving some good feedbacks about it or not seeing any conversion, then I would highly recommend you to just go to the website Koval.ai, and you will understand how are they handling this stuff. I hope this helps. uh, Let me know if you need any of my help. You can find my link in the description below. And yep, I think this is it. Good luck with this. Thank you. Bye bye.